You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this town, or is it a village? I think it's a town in the south of France near Marseille. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary and many names from the area that are confusing, stay tuned, we've got them all at the end of the video. The French pronunciation here is Martigues. Let's break it down. Martigues. Martigues. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can simply say it as Martigues. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.